We are in Evergreen's most historic neighborhood, Upper Bear Creek. This exceptional luxury rustic style estate offers a rare combination of solid quality construction and timeless design. Positioned on just over 5 private, flat, quiet acres of pristine landscape, this 4-bedroom, 6-bath delivers peace, seclusion, and breathtaking unobstructed views of snow-capped Mount Blue Sky. There's a completely paved road that leads to an iron gate that welcomes you with a custom paved stone driveway, revealing an architectural masterpiece built for those who appreciate the finer things in life. Immediately, you are taken back by its grand entrance and custom 9-foot double entry doors. Your jaw will drop when you step inside this open, flowing floor plan that's grounded by rich black walnut flooring and elevated with soaring vaulted wood ceilings and hand-hewn wood beams. The anchor to this room is this oversized stone fireplace and custom mantle. The main level office is ideal for the semi-retired to knock out a little work before the afternoon hike. Off the main living area is over 2,000 square feet of an entertainer's dream. Complete with a mix of quality epay decking and flagstone that not only embrace the views, but creates the perfect setting for long nights around the built-in gas fire pit. The primary suite has its own wing of privacy and tranquility, with vaulted ceilings, its own epay deck, his and her vanities, a fireplace, a soaking tub with views, a shower for 2, and an oversized walk-in closet. The winding staircase that wraps around a 3 by 14-foot tree stump takes you to an expansive full walkout basement with 2 additional bedrooms with ensuite private baths, a family room with a gas fireplace, a game room, and a full bar. This walkout basement leads to the lower grounds where a beautiful mix of native trees offers plenty of flat, usable room for kids and pets to explore. Designed for efficiency and comfort in mind, this legacy home features triple-pane Pella windows throughout, main-level AC, in-floor radiant heat throughout, and a built-in central vacuum system. While feeling miles away from the world, Whiskey J Hill offers superb connectivity. You're located near luxurious Tallgrass Spa, just 8 minutes from Evergreen Lake and Evergreen Parkway's dining and shopping, and only 15 minutes to I-70, an easy commute to Denver or world-class ski resorts. Properties of this caliber in Upper Bear Creek rarely come to the market. Experience the pinnacle of quiet luxury. I'm Claudine Phillips with the Phillips team, and let me take you on a personal tour of this quintessential Colorado estate.